Hey team, I'm Stuart Taylor from Influential PMO and I'm here to support my colleagues in the project community. This is a 60-second short video defining project constraints. Constraints are quite simply the restrictions or limitations by which your project is bound. You may have guessed, but they tend to get regarded fairly negatively. For example, you have to deliver by a certain date because of a new law, or there's only so much money to work with, or you're required to work with a specific piece of technology. Understanding your constraints is really important. It lets you understand going in what your limitations are. So you really need to know them at the start of the project. If you discover constraints during the project, they'll often appear as risks or issues. An example of that happened on one of my previous projects. Surprise, surprise. I had to get all of the staff from this company onto a 5-day training event, only to discover halfway through the planning that 2/3 of the resources were actually part-time workers and couldn't commit to doing 5 consecutive full days of training. Believe me, I would have liked to have known that at the start. If you enjoyed the video, click like. If you really loved the video and you don't want to miss any new content, hit the subscribe button. Have a great day and I'll catch you next time.